Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 20. Gosh, 5 days left. I have another full day today. So it is around 9 o'clock in the morning. I've gotten ready. I have a 10 a.m. appointment to get my nails done and ready for Christmas. And then my son is going to pick me up early afternoon and we're going to go shopping. He says we might go downtown. If we do, I'm going to try and take some footage of all the activity there because it must be absolute chaos and craziness. There is a huge Christmas market going on downtown at the moment. So if we end up going there, if it's not just too insane and we end up going there, I'm going to take some footage definitely. But yeah, it sounds as though I'm going to be gone most of the day, coming home only around dinner time. And then I'm hoping to get down here after dinner and get some sewing done. I actually want to cut my South Bank sweater dress. So again, heavily influenced by the beautiful Christine from Christine Sews a Lot, who really is the one who influenced me into making the Ilford jacket. She loves the South Bank and she looks amazing in all of her South Bank dresses. So I really want to make one, and I think I might have the perfect sweater knit, but it has very little stretch. So I'm thinking I may need to go up a size. Anywho, so I have the pattern. I need to print it today, cut my fabric. Well, decide on a size first, cut my fabric, and then hoping to sew that up tomorrow. So those are the plans. Let's get her done, calendar I mean. So day 20 says hot off the sewing machine. Oh. Fresh threads. And there are two identical ones. So these are the kind that you sew up like on the back of a jacket, like sew up on the two sides, like in the back of a neckline. Anywho, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here for now. Gonna go get myself upstairs and dressed. It is incredibly cold today. I think the weatherman says it's supposed to be like -8 or -10, but will feel like -15. So really, really cold. And this Christmas market downtown is an outdoors Christmas market. So I'm going to need to figure out gloves and hats and stuff, which is, I don't wear those usually. I'm never outside long enough to need them. But yeah, I may need to find myself a pair of gloves and a scarf and a hat if we're going to go to that Christmas market. All right, so anywho, I'll take you along whatever I decide to do today, and I will see you in a bit. Hello, I am back. It is 8 o'clock at night. I've had a full day. Oh my goodness, I got my nails done. So I've got sparkly nails for Christmas. And then I went out for lunch with hubby, then came home, did a few things around the house, nothing down here. And then my boy picked me up and we went to the Christmas market. I would have inserted some footage of us when we were there. I have to say, we didn't stay very long because it was freezing cold. I think with the wind, it was -15. And even though we had a very hot cider glass in our hand, there was just no staying warm in those kinds of temperatures. So we went around everything. We had a look at a few things. We had a glass of cider, like I said, and then pretty much came home because it was just too cold. Then, yeah, cleaned up the house, got a few little things done. Hubby just went to bed, and I came down here. So there you go. Now I'm going to wrap up my dad's birthday present because we are going to his house tomorrow for his birthday. So I'm going to wrap that up tonight before I go to bed. I want to print and possibly cut my South Bank sweater dress. And I'm using, oh gosh, this is heavy. This really cool knit from Minerva. So the right side looks like this. So it actually looked like knitted fabric, which is very cool. But it doesn't have a lot of stretch. I think it's fine for the South Bank because I think the pattern says 30% stretch. So that's not a whole lot. So I think I should be fine. But yeah, and it's so soft. I think it's going to make an amazing sweater dress. So I'm really anxious to get going on that tonight. And then I wanted to ask for your opinion on buttons. So I finished, well, I showed you my almost finished Ilford jacket yesterday. Now I need to sew the buttonholes, the pockets, and then put buttons on this thing. Now, it requires 1-inch buttons, and the only ones I have are these like plastic buttons. I mean, I could always wait and get some nicer ones. But then if I want to use these, I'm not sure what color to use. So I'm going to ask your opinion. So I have navy blue buttons. So this is what they would look like against the denim. I have pale blue buttons, like this. I have red buttons, which would be really fun. I have plain black, which would basically disappear against the denim. Or I have pink. So again, navy blue, pale blue, oh my goodness, red, black, or pale pink. What do you think? Whoops. Okay, well, I'll get that button later. So let me know in the comments, because I'm not going to put the buttons on for a couple of days anyways. So let me know in the comments which ones you think I should go with. I'm kind of like, I don't know. I could go super neutral and nothing crazy and just use either the black or the navy blue. Or I could go fun and put the red ones or even the pink ones on there. I even have, this one I didn't even consider, but it might be fun. Like a neon yellow or green, like yellow green. So that might be fun too. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, because I really don't know. I put all of them next to the denim earlier today and I just could not make up my mind. All right, so like I said, at this point, I'm just gonna wrap my dad's present, print my South Bank sweater pattern, hopefully cut it before I go to bed, and that's probably gonna be it for today. So I'm gonna end today's video here. It will probably have been super short, but tomorrow is my dad's birthday party, so probably won't take any footage there, but that probably won't last very long because he gets tired really, really quickly. So I expect that I'll be back down here at some point in the afternoon tomorrow and get started sewing on my South Bank. So I'll take you along for that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it here. Hope you had a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.